Signage is still up, but the volcano is gone as Mirage Las Vegas continues its 3-year transformation into the Hard Rock. Construction crews are hard at work, moving rocks and dirt as preparations continue for the new 660-foot guitar-shaped tower. And believe it or not, Hard Rock is already accepting proposal requests for groups arriving that fall. The company has also released renderings of the new hotel, but we found this actual model of what the property should look like when completed, with the tower extending nearly to the Strip, adding casino space, restaurants, and bars. Artifacts, including the gold-painted sculpture of legendary Las Vegas magicians Siegfried and Roy, will soon be sent to the Neon Museum. And Hard Rock Las Vegas is expected to open sometime in the spring of 2027.